So OpenAI at the spring update introduced their new flagship AI model, ChatGPT 4o, in which O stands for Omni. So during the introduction, they made several demonstrations to showcase their new GPT version's capabilities. So in this video, I'll be talking about some of the interesting features of ChatGPT 4o that you must know. So the first one is ChatGPT 4o is capable of engaging in realistic and natural voice conversations. By using this feature, it can build customer service chatbots where multiple chatbots can collaborate and interact with each other to resolve customer service issues. Now, second one is successful translations. So ChatGPT 4o is capable of translating any languages in the world successfully and accurately. This feature would be a great threat to Google Translate and Duolingo as they offer similar services. Surprisingly, it happens. So within the minutes of OpenAI demonstrating that ChatGPT 4o's translating capabilities, the stock price of Duolingo dropped by 3.2%. Now, third feature is human-computer interaction. ChatGPT 4o is capable of processing any videos, audios, and text in real time. It's very versatile and exciting feature. ChatGPT 4o can interact with users like another human being itself. Now, next feature is AI as a tutor. ChatGPT 4o will be now useful for students especially. The earlier version was also useful, but this version will be more useful for them. It can teach any subject they want. For example, if students want to solve a tricky mathematical problem, ChatGPT 4o will not provide the entire solution for that problem like its earlier version did. This time it will provide the solution step by step, slowly and slowly, like a human tutor guiding the student. Additionally, the students can share the important notes to their device camera, and ChatGPT 4o has a capability to understand it and share its valuable inputs. Now, the next feature is conducting online meetings. ChatGPT 4o is capable of joining online meetings and also conducting those meetings. It can now share feedbacks on the contents which were discussed in the meetings. It will also help the users in decision making too. Moreover, GPT can now transcribe and summarize the contents which were shared in the meeting. So if any user misses any meetings by chance, ChatGPT 4o will provide them with exact, precise reference. Now, the next interesting feature is ChatGPT 4o will be now an assistant for visually impaired people. So there's an app called BeamEyes which is designed specifically for visually impaired people. So when this app tested ChatGPT's visionary capabilities to assist these people to navigate their way, the team saw outstanding results, which were the new ChatGPT version was able to correctly identify the accurate location and also the minute details around the surroundings. From now on, visually impaired people doesn't need any human volunteers to go around. Now they themselves can travel on their own by using ChatGPT 4o. Now the next feature, which is help in interview preparations. The new ChatGPT version can now help students and candidates to prepare the interviews by providing proper feedbacks on their answers. It will also highlight the strengths and areas of improvement to overall enhance the performance. And also using the front camera, GPT-4 can tell whether the candidate has dressed appropriately or not for the interview. Now the next feature is ChatGPT 4o can jam with you. GPT-4 now has music talent too. It can sing for you. It can also provide personalized songs for you for special occasions like birthday parties, anniversaries, etc. The chatbot will customize the music by creating different tones and melodies based on the emotions you give and also based on the details you give properly to the ChatGPT 4o. So that was all about the interesting features of the new GPT version. Currently, ChatGPT 4o is freely available. So if you want to experience it, try it out quickly before it becomes paid version for everyone. So we'll meet with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.